Welcome to 3 minutes NEET PG preparation with Dr. Murli Bharadwaj on the Incus learning app. Today, let us revise about the purines and pyrimidines in the biochemistry. Before that, what are effective carriers? The phosphoryl carries ATP. Electrons are carried by NADH, NADPH and FADH2. Sugars are carried by the UDP glucose. Methyl groups are carried by S-adenosyl methionine. One carbon is transported by tetrahydrofolate. Carbon dioxide is transported by biotin. Acyl group is transported by the coenzyme A is what you need to remember. Now, how will you remember purines and pyrimidines? Purines, pure as gold. Adenine and guanine are purines. Pyrimidines, remember this big Y. Cytosine, thymine, both of them are having a big Y. So that is the reason they are pyrimidines is what you should remember. Then a word about hydroxyurea. Hydroxyurea inhibits ribonucleotide reductase. What is that enzyme? Ribonucleotide reductase. That is the reason it will inhibit the DNA biosynthesis. That's the reason it is used in sickle cell anemia. But it also causes bone marrow suppression because of its ability to inhibit the nucleotide biosynthesis. Now, a lot of times a question is asked about transition and transversion. Transition hota hai mutation that substitutes a pyrimidine for pyrimidine, like cytosine to thymine, that is transition. Whereas purine for pyrimidine, it is called transversion, which is cytosine to adenine, for example, is transversion, is what you should remember. And all of you know very well, uracil is there only in RNA and thymine is there only in DNA. So prepare well for the exam.